Hey everybody, how's it going? It's the Daily Shooter, and June 2018 could end up being one of the most important months for the Second Amendment here in the state of California in a long time. We have a lot going on this month. For instance, we have the primary elections for the governor's race coming up. We also have primary elections for local sheriffs, lieutenant governors, and so forth. That's all coming up on June 5th, which, to be honest with you, is less than a week from the time that I'm making this video. And we also have the assault weapons ban regulations taking place on July 1st, meaning that you have to have everything in place and finished by June 30th. So June it's going to be a busy month and we have a lot to do. So with that being said, it's going to be a very busy month for the channel. I'm going to try and do as many videos as possible about local elections, state elections, candidates that are running that are pro-Second Amendment that could possibly help us out. I'm going to be talking about the assault weapons ban that's going to be taking place, or some of the restrictions that are going to be taking place on July 1st, and how you can avoid them, how you can avoid becoming a criminal, and maybe even just avoid some of the pitfalls that have been set for us. Because to be honest with you, these laws are very hard to follow, and a lot of good people out there who haven't even had a speeding ticket in 20 years could potentially become criminals once July 1st rolls around, because it's nearly impossible to keep up with everything. Now, I will have my regular videos sprinkled in there. I just love doing reviews. I love sharing information and talking about guns, gear, and gadgets and things like that. So I will have my other videos still in there, but I'm primarily going to be focusing on what's going on here and trying to save the Second Amendment in this state. I feel that it's just the most important thing that we can do right now. So I hope you people from other states that watch my channel, who I absolutely appreciate every single minute that you view these videos, thank you all so much. Please understand that it is a fight for the Second Amendment. And it's not that I'm ignoring the rest of the country. It's that California is just teetering on the edge of falling forever. And so I have to make these efforts, even though they're probably extremely small and more than likely futile. I have to try and make some type of effort to get people motivated and activated and out there and actually voting and, you know, taking their rights back in this state. So it's not that I'm ignoring the rest of the country. It's that I just feel that California can't fall. You know, it's almost like with the banks. They're too big to fail, right? That's kind of like California. It's too big to fail. If this falls, then the rest of the country is up. Now, these informational and activist type videos are going to start tomorrow. Tomorrow, at the time of this video, is going to be June 1st. And we're going to start with the most important, which is the governor's race here in the state of California. We're not going to be talking about the actual election itself. We're going to be talking about the primaries. Because if we don't at least get somebody pro-gun in the primaries, then it doesn't matter what happens in the election. Because it's not like other states where you have one person from each party make it through, and then may the best man win or best woman win. In California, it's the top two vote getters, period. And if those are both anti-gunners, we lose, period, no matter what happens in November. So that's extremely important. That's coming out tomorrow. So stay tuned if you're interested in this type of stuff. Thank you again very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that little alarm bell if you want reminders. Have a great day.